What's up, guys and gals? Anthony here with Special Analysis. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Happy November. Hope you had a great Halloween and looking forward to that Thanksgiving feast in a couple of weeks. So let's talk about the profit pack here. Fantastic opportunity this morning about 9 o'clock on the Nasdaq 100. Higher brick speed, overall time frame, biases to the long side. So what are we looking to do when the market's trending in one direction? We want to buy it, right? So defined by this channel line below and this rising channel line above, we look for price action to offer us the opportunity to buy the market. Okay, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for buying opportunities. If the market's going higher, we want to participate in that. If the market's going lower, we want to participate in that direction. So channel structure is pushing price action higher. Higher lows, higher highs means that the trend is higher. So what do we want to do? We want to look for a profit pack correction through the profit band, and that's exactly what happened inside of this green circle here. You can see our trend change occurred here. Huge impulse, little consolidation, and that sweet correction through the profit band. In this case, it even touched the super band, printed that trigger candle, and guys, we were off to the races from there. Now, notice there was a prior resistance line that was holding price back here, held price back here at the channel structure that price was able to close above. So what was once resistance now becomes, in the future, support. Okay, this is very basic price action. This, analysis. This is nothing fancy. What was once resistance should now be considered support. Where did we pull through the profit band into? Support. So we have technical support. At the same time, we have a profit band bias long. We have an overall trend long. We have a super band touch. So the higher brick speed in confluence says, hey, listen, there's a really great chance that this market is likely to continue higher based upon everything I've just explained. So buy the market here. Where do we start taking profit? Now you can use a 1-to-1, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1 risk reward ratio, however you want. Okay. I give you my trade plan in that sense if you desire to use that sense. Or if you're a technical oriented guy like I am, just very simple. Where did price fail previously? Where is it likely to fail again? So target one, where price ran out of steam here, 120 ticks. That ascending channel structure built off of prior lows and prior highs, another 200 ticks. You could see reaching this channel structure, what did we find? Resistance, right? The market started chattering back and forth and chattering back and forth. And even as it was breaking it, continued to chatter back and forth. Target 3 up here was a daily pivot on the Nasdaq. So basic technical analysis, daily and weekly pivots. This was a daily pivot we ran into for another 300 ticks before we ultimately topped out at 384 ticks. Now, whether you caught this last component or you had moved your stop right here upon this most recent pull through the profit band, ultimately you got stopped out here with about 250 ticks. I mean, guys, if you took 120, 200, 300, and another 250 ticks, if you just took one contract, one contract, one contract, and one contract here, or however you want to divide it up, or you just took one, you took one here and one here, whatever. Guys, I don't know what your trade size is. That's none of my business. But in order to offset small losses, you must take large wins. And the way to take large wins is to take calculated targets in consideration. Target 1, target 2, target 3. You should be looking for at least 3 places to exit your trade. This is the way I would analyze it myself, so I'm sharing it with you. Again, you can use the 1-to-1 risk reward, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, 5-to-1, however you want. I'm not here to dictate to you what to do. I'm just here to show you that when you can identify what the bigger picture is doing and you get that profit pack entry, that trigger to come into play, guys, it is on like Donkey Kong. But if you're not in it to win it, well, That is what it is too. So your next step, anthonyspecial.com/profit-pack. Check it out. Send me an email with any questions you have. I could have you up and running inside of 24 hours. With that, I wish you a beautiful and blessed day. I hope it was a profitable one for you, like it was for so many of my traders. And if you are considering joining the Special Analysis family of traders, I will, of course, be the first one to welcome you and be excited to work with you. I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy your day and have a great one.